Hi everyone. Hi. How are you? So, as you would have seen from the pictures, we're going to make something really fun that you can take out with you anywhere outside, out on your walk, just to the garden. You can also use it to take photos of the cool plants that you see when you're outside. So, these are ones that I made earlier. This one here with the frame, and this here that's a standalone pot. I'm going to show you how to make both of these so you can make it yourself at home, and then we'll go for a walk together and see what cool photos you can take with the amazing pots that you're going to make at home. Okay, so let's get started. First, you will need a sheet of cardboard. If you don't have this, paper will do, but cardboard's a little bit better because it's tougher and it will stand up easier and it's just easier to use. So let's get started. Okay, so first we need to draw our vase or our pot. I want this one to have a frame, so I'm going to draw the frame in as well. Okay, now we're going to paint our pot. For this one, I'm going to use yellow paint. All right, all done. Now we need to wait for that to dry, and I'm going to wash my paintbrush so I can do the other one over here. So I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I'm not going to do a pot. I'm going to do a cool vase. Very nice. But you can do any shape that you want, any color. It's all up to you. So I'm going to get some white paint. I'm going to do a different pattern this time. I'm going to cut this out, so I don't mind too much if I go over the lines a little bit. Just going to do some straight lines. I'm going to get my blue color now, and I'm going to add some blue lines. Okay, so I just wait for them to dry and I'll be back later. Okay, so as you can see, I'm touching the paint and it's all nice and dry now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some extra decorations with a marker, a texter. You don't have to, but you can if you want. And there you have it. I've decorated both of my drawings, but again, just do whatever you want. If you want to scribble all over it, if you want to use crayons, if you want to make it a rainbow, whatever you want is totally fine. Okay, so our next step is going to be to cut out each of the frames. So for this one, I'm just going to cut out the whole vase. And for this one here, I'm going to cut out this part here. Oh, I forgot. I want to decorate the frame. Ta-da! Okay. Some people might be able to do this by themselves, but it might be best to get help from an adult and get them to cut them out for you. So I'm going to cut these out and I'll see you in a second. So there you have it. We now have two beautiful new creations that we can take outside and have fun with. So I'm going to go do that and I'll show you some of the pictures that I take on my walk. If you go out and take your creations, please share your photos with us. I would love to see what you've come up with and the wonderful plants and flowers that you see when you go outside. Okay, enjoy looking at my pictures and I'll see you later. Bye.